welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And today I have for you box number 3 out of 5, Stitch Fix. So for those that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You pay them 20 bucks. They'll curate a box of 5 items, send that to your house. Choose what you want, send back what you don't want. Now, everyone now gets a preview. So what happens is typically, but not always, the algorithm chooses your preview and you're like, huh? Like I had a pair of $450 boots in my preview, which I promptly declined. You know, the preview, don't be barking at your stylist if you don't like it because, you know, your stylist might not have been the one that selected for you. So I got my 2 out of the 5 items in this box are things that I selected from my preview. That $20 styling fee goes to whatever you keep in the box. Buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which I can tell you now is not going to happen because this is a pretty expensive box. And that styling fee goes towards whatever you do keep. And let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, they have online now Freestyle where you can go and purchase anything you want, but unfortunately you're not, even if there's 5 items you want, you're not getting that discount. You're paying them at full price. All right, so the funny thing is my box gets styled out of the warehouse in Pennsylvania, and it actually gets delivered here, like hand delivered on a car service. They even tell me a Hyundai Santa Fe was the one that delivered my package today. So it's pretty funny. So I'm opening this for the first time. I cheated and I looked online and I literally peeked at what was in here. They give you a return mailer. Shipping is free both ways. Even if you do freestyle and just order it, shipping is free both ways. You get an invoice, which I'm going to be looking at as I go through these, and a note for my stylist, which I will read later. They give you this cute little bundle, and I got a tiny little box here, right? And oh, you can choose extras to put in your box, and I did do some extras this time, which I will review with you. And then, of course, they give you a mailer advertising their freestyle. They want you to shop more with them, okay? So let's open this bundle, and I'll go through each item. Okay, first up, oh, this is different than what I thought. This is a Sanctuary Sylvie Tie Sleeve Top in pink, size extra small for $54. So it's a pretty bright bubblegum pink top. And it's a knit top, but it's like actually like a thicker knit. Almost feels like it has like linen in it or something. Let me look. Okay, it is 100% linen, all right? Natural fibers, people. This is 100% linen by Sanctuary. I thought it kind of felt linen-y. Now, it might ruin it for some of you because there is a little polyester here on the bottom, all right? So it has like a little bit of a trim detail in polyester. All right, so it's a 100% linen top. It has the tie sleeves, which is a kind of a cute feature. It looks like a 3/4 sleeve. And what is this, a V-neck? A rounded V-neck, so like a U-neck, okay? I'll try this on for you guys. It does seem see-through by me holding it up. We'll see if it is. Possible contender. It wasn't originally anything that was on my radar when I first saw it, but it's a lot different than when I saw it in the preview. Next up is this Free People When It Rains sweater in light people, size extra small, $108. Holy moly, that's a lot of money. Okay, so it is kind of like a periwinkle, and you know what, it almost, I can't quite figure it out. It's almost like they use 2 different yarns. See how it's like a different shading on this side and this side versus the middle? You know, I'm not quite sure I like that, to be honest with you. That to me looks weird. You know, it's like literally darker on either side. And the sleeves have like a different knit completely than either side. I don't know if it's the difference in the knit or it's the difference in the yarns that they use that are causing the variation in color, which I'm not so sure I like. And it's a huge V-neck, so there is no question I would have to wear a tank under this. This looks like a big, wide, deep V-neck, so I will have to try it on without a tank. For normal people, this might be cropped, but this is definitely not cropped for me. This is definitely full length for me, okay? I will try it on and give it a shot, but right now, I'm thinking for $108, my answer is no. As many have been watching me, $100 is my breaking point. So even at $108, that is just too much. Okay, next up. Oh, this is interesting too. Again, when you look at it online, it never looks anything like it does when it comes in. Next up, this is the Vince CAMUTO Puff Shoulder Knit Top in black. So it's a black and white stripe, all right? Let me check. Are the stripes matching up? You know, I'm always checking that. Okay, so the stripes on the side do match up. That is important to me. I know that's crazy, but the stripes need to match up for me. It's a sign of a better quality shirt. The stripes on the sleeves, yeah, could be a little bit better, you know. Is it a no because of that? I'm not 100% sure. I have to see how it's on and whether it's bugging me. All right, so this is like a puff sleeve, okay? And let's see. This is 86% rayon, 9% polyester, 5% spandex, machine wash cold with light colors, lay flat to dry, cool iron if necessary. So it has the puff sleeve. Oh, it has a balloon sleeve too. So it has like a, you know, the banded cuff, which I definitely like, a little bit of balloon sleeve. Not too thrilled about the way they kind of cut the cuff off in the stitching here. Let's see, it looks like a crew neck. Yeah, crew neck. Yeah, it's cute, I like it. You know, try it on, see how it is. Now, one thing I don't think you guys can see, the stripes aren't straight. All right, so I'm gonna bring this close so you can actually see. Do you see how there's like almost like a jagged stripe? And it almost seems, and you probably can't see it, each stripe has a very thin line running right through it. I don't know if you can see that or not. So it's not like a straight regular stripe. It's different. And again, this is by Vince CAMUTO. Now, I didn't tell you the fabric quality, the content of the lavender sweater. So this sweater, let's see what we can see what the fabric content is. 100% cotton. All right, natural fibers, people. I know a lot of people who scream you want natural fibers. I got two things that are natural fibers. 100% cotton sweater and 100% linen blouse, except for the trim. Okay, next up. Ooh, these are super, super soft. Beyond Yoga Cozy Leisure Jogger. All right, oh my gosh, these are super soft. However, I will not be keeping these because I can see right through to you, all right? So I don't keep things that are completely see-through like this. I mean, like, what are you gonna do? You can see my underwear right through them. So this is definitely, like, do not leave the house in these. These are super, super thin, super soft. They are not brushed knit. They are, let's see, 94% polyester and 6% spandex. So, well, these will definitely be a no. They're the Beyond Yoga Cozy Black Jogger. $88. Insane. Insane. Oh, these are not what I thought either. Online, I thought they were red, and they're kind of like a rustish red. All right, and I kind of already have pants this color. I'll have to pull them out for you guys. I was hoping more for like a fire engine red. All right, so these are the PISTOLA Tammy high-rise straight trouser in red, also $108. They are cute, all right? They're a wide leg, all right? And they have these little buttons down here, which you can unbutton, and I guess I don't think they do anything. This really just decor. Oh, okay, no, take that back. So if I unbutton this and I wanted it to be a tighter ankle, right, you can actually put it on this second button here. Oh, that's a neat feature. Not sure I use that, but it is a neat feature. Okay. So this is a definite style that I don't have. It has two pockets in the back, button fly down the front, and then these deep pockets right here, okay? They're not quite a pork chop pocket, but they're like patch, no, not even a patch pocket. Not quite sure which kind of pockets you call these. And of course, you have to set buttons down the front. I'll give these a try, but I have a feeling these are going to be very similar to pants that I already own. Granted, they're different style. The ones that I own are skinny. But I really do not like to duplicate like colors and, you know, I can kind of create a similar look. All right, 2 extras I ordered with this. First thing I ordered was the COSABELLA High Rise Seamless Full Bikini 2-pack. All right, I don't think I own anything COSABELLA. Okay, so, oh, these seem nice. All right, so they're literally a seamless bikini. There are no grippers on this though. All right, I'm gonna keep these because I can use some underwear. Yeah, they're just plain underwear, and for 2 pairs, they were $22. Nope, sorry, $32. Take that back. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna keep these. And then the next thing, and I got 1 pair in beige and 1 pair in black. And the next thing I ordered is another pair of SPANX, which I think I'm going to return. These are the Everyday Shaping Brief for $22, okay? So, I think I might return these because I thought I ordered these in black, and apparently not. I got them in beige, and I already have a pair in beige, and I'd rather have a pair in black. But we'll see. I'll see what the return deal is. If I'm stuck with them, that's fine. So that's it. Give me a minute, and I'll try this stuff on. Okay, up first again is the Vince CAMUTO top that is a rayon poly blend. It's a cute top and totally my style. Like I said, the stripes definitely line up here on the side. The cuff and the way they sewed the cuffs, I am not 100% on board with because it's like the stripes don't, you know, go around. They kind of like stop. I guess you can't really do too much to do that in order for like the balloon sleeve to work. I know they're supposed to be tight around here, but they're really tight around here. Not the wrist. There's plenty of room around the wrist, but around my forearm, it's very snug. Especially where the seam is. So just fair warning to that. The shirt is, I guess, fits me. I would also say a little bit for me on the snug side, like across my bust. Not terribly, but it's a little bit more than I'm used to. I still think it fits. I wouldn't go up a size. I don't think that would look good if I went up a size. The pants. The pants are by PISTOLA, and these are 100% cotton. So I didn't even request a natural fibers box, but I got 100% cotton pants, 100% cotton sweater, and 100% linen top. Well, almost 100%. The decoration at the bottom is polyester. So again, you know, I'm getting natural fibers when a lot of other people aren't. So let me explain to you these pants. They're a button fly, and because they're 100% cotton, there's no stretch. So let me just show you the way the buttons look. So I am able to button it and everything, but you can kind of see a little bit of gapping going on right here because of the pulling, right? It's not like a straight line with the steam. They kind of go whoop, whoop, whoop over the buttons, okay? They're too high of a rise for me. So they go up way past my belly button, and it kind of gives me this weird look right here in the crotch area. Again, I'm only 5'2". I'm kind of a shorty. The length on them, I believe they're supposed to be like a cropped, like wide type of sailor leg type of pant. And if you come down here and look at me, they're right above my ankle. So they almost look like they're too short type of deal versus, you know, like a cute, like crop flare type of thing, you know, if it were up here. So yeah, and plus they're $108. Plus, let me show you the other pants that I have. I have these rust velvet ones, all right? I have these dark burgundy ones, all skinny style, mind you, and these are not skinny style. And then I have these coralish ones, okay? Now they're all in the same type of reddish family, and these are all skinny jeans and these aren't, but I was really hoping for like a red pair of pants. So I'm gonna pass on these due to price, the way they fit, and the fact that I have colors kind of similar. Between the 3 of them, I think I'm set. I have a white top with black stripes like this, but I don't have a black top with white stripes, which is why I actually also chose it too to put in my box. Like, I don't have one like that. But honestly, the way this feels, there's too many cons against it. The way it feels around here, it's very tight. I'm not so fond of the stitching and how they put together the sleeves. And for the price. I mean, if the price were cheaper and this wasn't an issue, I would take it, you know? But I think for the price and everything, I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Okay, give me a minute and I'll throw on the next up. I have the $88 pair of joggers on and the Sanctuary top. The joggers, they have a hell of a lot of nerve charging $88 for these things. They're paper thin. I feel like I'm naked on here. So this is the back of them. You can see every lump and bump. Here's my underwear line. Can you see this? You know, I mean, everything is just like, they are so thin, all right? So no, these are going back. Super, super, super soft. I mean, I would love pajamas in this for about half the price. But yeah, I can't wear something like this out of the house. And because they're so thin, they're like a legging, you know? I mean, yeah, no. I mean, I would never wear anything like this out of the house. I actually think I have tights thicker than this. Okay, the Sanctuary top, $54, which I don't think is not bad at all for a linen top. So it has the tie sleeves, which are also in linen, and the little bit of polyester is here on the bottom. And it's by Sanctuary. It has like the rounded V-neck. My issue with this is, you can see it's see-through, right? You can see my pants. So, you know, honestly, I don't mind a see-through top, but I don't want a see-through spring top because that would require me to wear a cami underneath, and this is the type of season that I would not want to double up on layers. So I think this is going to be a no too, although it is a very nice top. It feels very comfortable, and I just can't believe I got all these natural fibers in my box when I hear everyone complaining that only Stitch Fix sends is polyester. I find, look at this box, I got 3 items that are natural fibers, all right? So I think this top is a no, but it is cute. I do like it, and if it weren't springtime, I would definitely use it in layer. Like if it were darker color, I would put a cami underneath, but the lighter color, it being meant for spring, I think it's gonna be a no. All right, give me a minute, I'm gonna try on. Okay, so I just quickly tossed this sweater on. This is a crop style. It comes literally just to the top of my waist. I can't pull it down anymore because I would literally expose my chest. You have to wear a cami, at least for me, underneath this one. It has I guess they're supposed to be balloon sleeves, but they're just entirely like too long on me. So it's not really coming across as a balloon sleeve. It's just kind of, I think, coming across as sloppy, right? It's not like ballooning. It's just kind of like rolling. Okay, yeah, this is the back of it, and it has like, I'll come closer so you can see again the detail of this. So it has like stitching 2 different ways, and I don't know if it's the different color yarns they use or if it's the type of stitching that it's making it look like it's a completely different color, and I'm not so sure I'm digging that, to be honest with you. I think that's kind of weird looking. And then the sleeves are a completely different tone than the sides, and I guess it's the same color as this, but again, completely different stitching. Now the different stitching patterns, I don't mind. It's when the colors are different that it kind of like makes me go, oh, I don't like that. So again, this is $108 or $109. I don't know where my price list went. Here it is. Price list, $108. Yeah, so for $108, yeah, I'm gonna have to pass. So, yeah, I think I'm going to end up sending this all back and maybe just keep the underwear that it has in extras. I'm not 100% even sure about that. Definitely COSABELLA I'll keep. Not sure about everything else. Give me your thoughts. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me. Take care until next time.